Hey guys, good morning. It is Saturday. It is overcast. It stopped raining, so hopefully it doesn't keep raining later on. But we're going to take a nice little ride, take in a surprise, and get some really good views for you guys. So catch you in a little bit. Guys, we are in Berlin, New York. And I think there's a parade going on here. We're just hoping
so
to get
too.
some
I think
of
it's
it.
going to turn to the left though. You want to go up to the right shoulder and see if you can
I don't
film
want to get
someone?
a ticket. There's cops down there.
Tell him you're filming. He ain't going to give you a ticket.
Alright.
You chicken shit.
I am chicken shit. There's tons of cops down there.
I don't see one.
I can see over here. I just don't know. Tons of fire trucks. Nice scenery over here.
Let's find us a moose.
A moose? I don't think my heart can take another moose. Oh, pretty.
Like these cuts in the mountain.
Yeah, these are real nice. Nice little bridge.
Take the next right at the Vermont 315 West Vermont 7A North.
Clear.
Good to go.
Continue on Vermont 7A North for 5 miles.
11 miles and we should be there.
It's like 63 degrees, guys, but it feels like it's 50. What's going on? It's July. So I'll show you these. I know we talked a little bit about the gloves. I can get them up here. Down a little. There they go. You guys know I don't like to wear gloves, but these gloves are from Thrashin Supply Company. They're very lightweight, but they provide a lot of coverage as far as, you know, the weather and wind, but they're super lightweight. I have a pair that are all red. They run big, so in case you're gonna put your order in, really nice. If you're type of rider that doesn't like to have gloves on your hands, you don't like the feel of them, this is good for you though, just protection wise. I mean, very lightweight again. My hands feel naked, so Ration Supply Company, I love them. Paul turned me on to them. He's got a pair of green ones that he just swears by, and I said, all right, let me try them, but put my first order in and they were big. So these are what, a small?
I don't remember.
I think these are a small, and I'm normally a large, so that should give you kind of an idea of.
They give you a measurement, you can measure.
Yeah, but they do run big.
These are good, hot and cold. Like now, it's cold out. My hands are warm, and then when it's hot out, you put them in. It's like your hands are cool. I love these gloves.
Yeah, they are nice. I like my other ones because they're all red, but they're a little bit. They're big on the tips of my fingers.
And I think they discontinued them too. That sucks. Come on, Thrashin.
Yeah, the red ones, right?
Yep.
Yeah. They got some other cool gear too, but the gloves
They make all kind of parts for bikes, everything. They're Two-Lane Life. Two-Lane Life.
One of their sons.
It's one of their sons.
Not really crazy out on
3
this
miles,
holiday.
we're going to get on a Skyline Drive.
Camping at Batternell. Never been up. I've never seen that campground.
Everything's closed down and quiet.
Yep.
No parties, nothing.
Nope. We got a potluck go to later on.
That's all me. You know how I like to eat.
Of course. Special road at camp. All our camping neighbors on a road. We get down, we party, we cook, we have a good time.
Bunch of drunks.
Hey,
I sit
we
there
have
and watch
fun.
all you stagger back to your camp at night and laugh.
Oh man, I love just the camaraderie, just hanging out with people, and you know, we haven't been up there in 3 weeks, just with everything going on with the bikes, you know, getting the audio hooked up, and it's been 3 weeks, so it just feels like we lost so much time.
I love coming up here. See if we got any views today when we get here with all the clouds. A little less than a mile. We're gonna get on Vermont Skyline Drive.
The Vermont Skyline Drive?
Yep.
Have we ever been on?
Yep. You don't remember nothing. You talk about my memory?
I don't. I really don't. It's horrible. We've just been to so many places, honestly. I mean, we've been all over, you know, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine, but
Quarter mile, turn left on the Skyline Drive.
there's so many other places in those 3 states that we still haven't been to. Country shoppers.
There
Mount Equinox. We're going up Mount Equinox.
On Skyline
Well,
Drive.
this is if they're open.
Oh, it
I don't
doesn't
think
look
they're
like it.
open. That's gonna suck.
Oh boy.
Oh, yes, they are.
Where are you going?
Oh, and you gotta go pay. What do you
Oh.
want to get in for free, you cheapskate?
Well, you go ahead and do that. I'll wait here.
Oh, well, I gotta pay for this too.
I'll sit pretty here and chit
You gotta use the
chat.
bathroom, you said.
Oh yeah, that is true, guys. Sorry, I'm leaving you guys right now because Mama gotta go. I'll be right back on. Catch you in a bit. Okay, guys. So we are at Mount Equinox, Skyline Drive in Vermont. Here you go. I'll lose it. And we're going up. It's really cloudy. It's not great, but we're here. We're going up. Why not? We're adventurous. This is the coin that they gave us. Check that out. That's pretty cute. It says EPS on the back. It's a parking token, so we got to stick it in the little jug over there. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, can't promise the best views because it's very foggy, but I want to go up. We came, I've never been up, we're here, and we're going to do it. So let's do this.
Lady thinks we're crazy. She said, "You sure you want to do this on a motorcycle?"
Be careful. So guys, we are not heeding the warning of being careful going up here.
Yeah. Lady said, "You sure we want to do this on a motorcycle?" She thinks we're crazy. It's cloudy, and it's probably not going to see much up on the mountain, but we're going to do it anyway. We're going to give it to you both ways. We're going to give it to you on a cloudy day, and we're going to come back on a nice day and do it again. How about that?
Yep. I don't know what to do with this thing.
You gotta throw it in the thing. It's like a toll. Right from this truck. We'll find out what we're gonna do with it. Let's see.
Make sure your music is off because I'm not editing stuff.
I guess you
Man.
gotta put it in here, like a. Let me find my token. What do I do with it? There you are. Come in. Let's see. Push to. Okay.
I gotta wait for mine now.
I'm through.
Alright. Hold on, guys.
Roads are a little moist when you get halfway up.
All right, but you could see though?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Lady would thought we were crazy going up on the
We
motorcycle.
were supposed to do it this weekend, but the fucking rain stopped us from up the ass.
Oh, okay. We're trying to vlog it. We'll see how it comes out. Man.
Alright, guys, let's do this. I'm excited. I feel that adrenaline pumping.
He said you could see. He said they were going to do it. He said it's a little moist, the road, but welcome to Equinox Skyline Drive. He said it's a little, some of the roads a little moist, but
moist.
this is like,
I've never
this
heard
is like, yeah, that's what he said, a little moist. Must be a Vermont thing.
The roads are moist, people.
This is a little baby Mount Washington we're going up.
Alright, well.
So far, so good.
Yep, hopefully whoever's up there can see us coming up as they're going down. I just
5 miles, 5.5 miles high this mountain is. It's like a little baby Mount Washington.
I've never been up this mountain, I can say that for sure.
No, you haven't. That's why I was messing with you before when you said, we've been on that road. You haven't, I have. They have that monastery up here. Probably won't be able to see it though with a cloudy day. The road's moist.
The road is moist. Maybe Mr. Roy can fill us in on that.
Here's
I don't know where I'm going, so.
No, we're just
yeah, you know what?
You can see the view.
I wanted to go back and get that
We'll
sign.
come back.
Look, guys.
Let's go up top and see what's up top. Let's get up there first. So far,
All right,
clear
I'm gonna
here.
take you when we come back down. We'll stop at that sign for the monastery. I am religious. I love Jesus, so we can see what's going on up here.
Hopefully he loves you back because you a heathen.
Yeah, right. I never knew there was a monastery up here. Very interesting.
Get into the clouds a little bit.
So far, the elevation is 2,030 feet. So far. What's this?
This is, I think you can stay in there. I'm not 100%, but I know they have some place like a lodge up here somewhere you can stay. Might be that. I'm pretty sure it's that.
You need to stay over to your right for some car or something.
You riding this motorcycle or that one?
I should be riding that one.
I don't think so. You can't get on this
Get
Great
over it.
Goddess.
Oh, it's the Great Goddess now? Oh, God, guys. Uh-oh. 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 Whee.
It's a pull off up here too.
Yeah, I'm sure. To get down another gear.
Same thing like Mount Washington.
Yep.
You ain't getting it up first or second gear. That's it. There's a lot of hairpin turns on this road.
Hairpin turns for sure.
Parking area is at 500 feet. You want to check out the parking area? You want to get up top and then do it on the way down?
Oh, let's get to the top. I'm on a roll.
All right. Another hairpin turn. Like
Yep.
4 or 5 of them already. There's nothing but hairpin turns on this road. I think there's more hairpin turns on this road than there is Mount Washington.
Yeah, really. Is there still a part of Mount Washington that's dirt road?
Yeah, because that road washes away every year.
Oh.
So they just they have to rebuild it every year in a certain section. Every year it washes away. So that's why they don't pave it. Not really a lot of tremendous views over here going up this mountain.
Probably not going to see much of it though, because of how cloudy it is.
We're almost there. We're getting into the clouds now. You can see the fog.
It's getting full good.
About another 2 miles to go. It's a little bumpy up here. Getting chilly up here, huh?
Oh yeah. 3,107 feet. It's 59 degrees.
There you go. It's going to open up now. You ain't going to see
It is
much.
cloudy, guys.
Can't see nothing. Oh, a little bit over here.
Yeah, see a little bit down
A
there.
little bit down there.
I can appreciate this though. Oh, my ears are like.
Nice how it just comes from a tunnel of trees and then just opens up to the clouds. You got a little house up here you can walk in, and there's a trail that goes out to the mountain. I don't know that you're gonna see much, but it's out there. I don't know.
Yeah, you're not
Can't
seeing
see nothing.
It's a long way down, guys. Just keep trekking up. I've been pretty lucky going up Mount Washington. The times that I've been up there, it's been crystal clear. Crystal clear.
Another hairpin turn.
Yep.
You're clear, nobody's coming. And we got another one.
Guess we'll stay in first gear. trees?
Yeah,
Smells like
good.
Christmas.
Yep. Wow. Nice and foggy up here.
Yeah, elevation is at 3509.
Another turn and there's some bumps here, so be careful. Oy, 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 oy. I think I just dropped a kidney.
Take it like a man.
Can't see nothing now.
No. How much of an elevation do you think these bikes can handle?
I don't know. I remember years ago I used to go up Mount Washington with my buddy Scotty, and we had carbureted bikes at that time. Them Harleys, man, the pipes turned blue and purple and discolor, and they run like hell because they didn't adjust like the fuel injected bikes now.
This is
Here we are.
We're at the
Can't see
summit.
nothing. Yep. Can't see doodle.
We can see an outline. This is like a spooky movie. You want to back right in right here?
And we go around over here.
I get PTSD about these parking lots because I dumped my bike at Mount Mitchell when we went to Tennessee last year. It was a gravel parking lot, and I pulled in instead of backing in, and I dumped my bike, and all the gas came out of it. That was scary. So
I should have lit a match. I don't know what I was thinking.
you're so stupid. I hate you.
If only I would have thought faster.
It was scary. I could have broke my leg. The bike.
Are you going to take up 2 parking spaces?
Yeah, I've earned a whole parking spot.
No, you got 2 of them.
That's okay. I'm good.
All right, let's go and see what we can see up in this foggy mess.
Let's drop this down. All right.
Got you back in a minute.
All right, guys, so we're up at the summit. This is the trailhead map, as you can see. These are the trails here. I mean, someone said, hey, take that blue trail, but we don't really have a lot of time today. We got to get back to camp. So we're just going to try to see where we can go. We're not going to be able to see much because as you can see behind us, there's a lot of cloud and fog. So let's see where we can go. You ready for this?
Yep.
All right, let's do it.
Inside first.
Yeah, we could go inside. So this is the summit. But let me tell you, the hairpin turns tighter than Mount Washington, that's for sure.
Steeper grades on it.
Yeah. And so this is called the St. Bruno Scenic Viewing Center. You can see here. They might have a restaurant in here.
No, they don't.
Okay. So this is actually part of the monastery that you can see. It's beautiful. Saint Rosaline. And this is Saint Bruno. Excuse me. And that says the cross stands firm while the world turns. Hi. How are you?
Good, how you doing?
Thank you. Good, thank you.
1953.
First building was built here in 1949, opened in 1949. Dr. Davison opened it. It was an inn, restaurant, bar. It went up until mid-late 90s. America got so crazy. And it was a very established restaurant, bar, inn. And then once everybody got so crazy, liability became so high up here that they had to shut it down. When Dr. Davison died, he donated all the land to the Carthusian Foundation, 8,400 acres. They built this building so that everybody that travels through can come here get peace with the surrounding area. The view is absolutely great, but
Not gonna see it
today.
not
today.
today. You can see 4 states. You can see Massachusetts, New Hampshire, New York, and Vermont. The monks have the monastery on the way up through down over. There's between 20 and 30 monks that live there. They do not speak. They take a vow of silence. They do not speak to us. There's 4 priors that do. And let's see, that's about the history.
About it, huh?
We
Is there
appreciate
a lodge
that.
or something up here you can stay at too, or not?
That used to be.
Used to be here.
Yeah,
This is
right
the
here.
Skyline
On the way
Circle,
up, if you notice,
1953.
that First house on your left that you came to is the road.
We came in here,
That's what we call the guest house.
went around, and we're parked right here. But look at those cars from the 50s.
Again, they built this in 2012. They tore the old one down in 2010. It was quite a place. It was quite a place back in the day, I guess. And like I said, liability reasons, and there's no restaurant that can survive a certain they don't serve alcohol. Unless you're McDonald's or Burger King.
You serve alcohol, you said we drive down this mountain.
Yep, and then it got so that it was no longer your fault for drinking the 6-pack. It was the bartender's fault for serving. So,
So this is when they constructed in 2012.
and actually, the wear and tear equipment, it was over $1 million over budget to build.
Wow.
They had so many
Over $1
accidents.
million in budget.
Yes, they had so many accidents from truck and equipment going up and down the mountain. I think it was over $1 million budget. It's $2.3 million to build the building, and they had a wide budget of 1.3. And then because of everything
Yeah.
going on,
Wow.
to get material up here, down here. And as an example, when you came up, when you go down, you'll see it now that I'm saying something. Just before you get to the gate, there's a little road that goes out to a red gate that we just put up. It was actually cheaper for us to buy the material and have it hauled in than it was to take it from the pit and haul it down the mountain. Because of the wear and tear.
Look up so tall.
You want to go up top? You want to go up top?
Look,
20 minutes.
20-minute walk.
It's 20 minutes out, 20 minutes back.
I ain't doing that with
Do
my
that
leg.
face again?
It's where your leg is.
I need a hip.
And it's pretty rocky.
Yeah, I wanted to do it, but I saw it on the map. I wasn't sure how far it was.
Yeah, to look at rocks.
And today it ain't too good to go look anyway.
Nah, it's uneven and pretty rocky.
I'll pass. So one of the monks,
You got a bad hip.
they had me a hip replacement.
Oh, God.
So this is just the history of the Carthusian order.
Because you're favoring that side. Now this side's gonna
Yeah, already they're saying that.
go. Yeah.
I'm gonna look out your little lookout tower up there and we'll head out of here. You can't see that monastery anymore.
You can see it, but you won't be able to see it today, yes, sir. That first granite rock that you came to with the plaque on it, coming up, well, the first one going down was a big granite rock with a plaque on it.
So we're gonna go
Down there, you can
upstairs
see the monastery.
and check it out.
It encompasses acres. It's just not small. It encompasses acres. And,
So if I'm going down,
yeah,
I come down, I saw the big statue or whatever, and there was like a bathroom there, is that what you're talking about?
no, we're back up the mountain. You're gonna be going down. There's a pull-off on each side of the road, there's a big granite rock right here with a plaque, just like that right there.
Okay.
Okay? If you can stop there and you might be able to see it.
So this is the view north. You can't really see anything, guys, which we already knew that, but we still wanted to come up. We will definitely have to come back when it's nicer because I would assume it's an amazing view. But all right, guys, so I think there's a stop on the way down we're gonna take you to. Not really gonna go through the trails because everything is just really fogged up right now. But it's very peaceful in there for sure. So we're gonna take you down there. Hopefully we can see stuff.
Just look at the top. You had a little better view, right? Yeah. It is pretty right up here, though. Yeah, I will come back. I've been up here a couple of times. Oh, great. She never has. I think I'd take her, but. So be safe. Thank you. Likewise.
All right,
Here
guys,
we
we're
go.
going down.
We're going down, all right. Hopefully it's clear. We can see that monastery.
We didn't see it on the way up.
You know, we weren't really looking for it. We got to stop at the pull. There's a pull-off over there, and you can look down and see it. Ouch. You get a little break in the clouds, you might be able to see it. It's pretty big, he said. It's like acres of land. And I forgot how many monks he said were there.
20 monks.
They don't speak.
Oh, they took a vow of silence.
Yeah.
Wish
I
you would
wish
do
you'd
that.
take.
I got you first.
Freaking. Damn, I'm banging.
Oh. Can kind of see. I'll look back. Steepness there. I don't know if Paul could survive in a monastery.
Yeah, anything could get away from you. Hey, if it's clear like that, we might be able to see down it. Can't really get no views for anybody with these trees, but there's some, the cities down there. Car. A few cars. Yeah, I'm like banging out every little bump.
Or you're hitting right on. You're going right into them. What do you expect? Need to go around.
I need some new shocks in the front. It's like hitting very easy.
I'm not going to have any brakes.
Stay in first gear. I'm just trying to watch these bumps because I keep banging. I'll be able to see it.
Pull right over. If you look to the
I'll
left,
be able to see it down
you'll
here.
see. Oh, look at that, guys. Look how pretty the blue.
It's right down there. You can see it. We'll see if we park over here. We can.
I'm going to stop here for a minute. Guess not.
Yep, we're going to stop right here.
This is really nice, guys.
Can you get in?
Oh, look at that.
Or pull to the left if you can.
Hold on. I want to get this for everybody. Look at that.
Because this is a bad angle for the kickstand. Maybe pull to the in front of that car over there. Or maybe you can get in here. Just... You want me to get it for you? Want me to take it for you?
How sweet. Anyways, two ladies.
Got it. You want to get... You want to try to get that monastery?
Check
You
this.
can look at it. Let me know if you want more.
All right.
Get up there. You can see it down there.
Yeah. All right.
Want to stand up there and I'll take your picture.
All right, guys.
Ready?
Here we go. No, don't. Just let me lean on you. Oh my God. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you broke my damn shoulder.
There's the monastery overlook.
Move over this
Oh,
side.
there it is. I see it.
Yeah.
Wow, that's huge.
Move this way. Because you can clear it, get in the clearing more.
He's trying to kill me, people, because there's a very little room up on top of this. But wow, check that out. So we made it. Just getting a little snack because, man, gonna just head camp actually. But we just wanted to show you guys. We'll come here when it's nicer outside, but it was pretty nice out, right?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Let me get a picture of it so you guys can see it. So we hope you liked it. It was very, what would you say? Cloudy. He's eating. So we're taking off. We're gonna finish our snacks and we'll see you on the next ride.